here. I'm back with another video. It's like super early in the morning, but this was like the only time I could film this video. I tried to do this video yesterday, and for some reason it would not let me upload it to my computer, so I had to literally start all over. So I made my business to wake up super early before my son got up to try to film this video for you guys and get this out, because I be trying so hard to put out as much video as I possibly can. But when you have a 1-year-old and you work and you still have to go to school to finish studying, it's so hard, but I'm trying. So yeah, today I'm going to do some kind of like really summery, bright, colorful makeup tutorial, because you know I like this shirt, I like the backdrop, like they match perfectly. So I want to do something to, you know, kind of incorporate all that together. So if you want to see what I come up with, if you're interested in watching, make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's get into the video. Okay, so I think I want to start out with my eyes first, just because I know they're going to be bold. I'm going to take some tape for this look, because I want it to be like perfect on the edges. Okay, so to start out, I'm going to go into my Tarte Lip and Bloom palette, and I'm going to use the color Rebel right here as a transition shade for my lid. To give it a little bit of darkness, I'm going to go in with Leader, which is the shade right here, and work that even deeper into the crease. And now I'm going to take some LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to use this to kind of cut my crease a little bit, just so that, you know, the colors will show up a little bit better. Back into that blending brush and blend the edge of the concealer in with the eyeshadow. So y'all know, for my bright colors, I love using these BH Cosmetics palettes. These are like so affordable, and the colors, they're like super pigmented. Like even right here, like I touched yellow and it's all on my finger. Like these colors don't play. So because I want the pink to be the main thing of this look, I'm going to go into this one right here and use this right on my lid. I think I want to add like a little bit of a dark blue, just because my shirt has a little bit of dark blue in it. So I'm going to take this right here and use this, I think maybe like along inside my crease. Let me see. Back into that blue shade and just put it around or along my lash line. And then to add some highlight to my brow bone, I'm gonna go back to that Tarte palette and use Funny Girl and put this right on my brow bone. Okay, so I went ahead and added on some lashes. I don't know why, but today it was kind of hard. So I didn't want to waste any space on, you know, the camera and putting on lashes. So I added on some lashes and some mascara to my bottom lashes, and that was it. So now I'm going to take the tape off and start working on my eyes, or on my face, I mean. The primer I'm going to be using is Wet n Wild's Photo Focus. I like this primer because it feels like a freaking moisturizer. You know, some primers you have to moisturize and prime, but for me, I'm so oily already, I'd rather skip having to add even more moisture you know, than will already come inside of a primer. So that's why I reach for that one a lot as far as, you know, drugstore. So I'm gonna just work this into my face. And then the foundation I'm gonna be using is NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat in the color Tan Bronze. When I bought this, I probably was a little bit darker, but I found a way to make this work because I love this foundation. Like, this foundation is bomb as hell. Like, when it says matte, it's matte, and it's so, it just looks so natural on the skin once it's actually on there. Like, y'all can see now probably, it looks really dark on my skin, but it's gonna work out, I promise. And then for concealer, I'm gonna take this NYX HD concealer in the color CW02, and I'm gonna use this to, you know, just conceal underneath my eyes, my chin, my nose, and my forehead. And I'm kind of light-handed with this one just because it's so light. I don't want to be looking crazy. Setting powder and just set everywhere where I just put concealer. And to add some depth to my face, I'm gonna use this bronzer shade right here in this Tarte highlighting kit that I have. It's pretty old, but usually I've been using this because, I don't know, contour powders lately, they've just been looking a little bit too orange for me, and they just look real heavy. So I've been going a little bit lighter and using bronzer shades instead to contour my face. Now I'm gonna just sweep away some of that powder that I put down. Now I'm going to set my face really quick before I start highlighting. Go back into that Tarte palette and use these two shades right here, which are Gleam and Burst, and highlight, you know, my cheekbones, nose, all the high points of my face pretty much. Ooh. I freaking love this highlight. Like, it's just so pretty and natural looking. Like, sometimes I wear this when I don't wear makeup. I'll just moisturize my face, do my brows, and put this on because this stuff, it's just so pretty. Like, oh my god. I'm gonna take this Maybelline lipstick called Peach Poppy. This is what it looks like outside the tube. And I'm gonna use this to fill in my lips. And I'm gonna see which direction I want these lips to go into, because I'm really not sure. I don't know if I wanna go a nude or a bright pink or something, you know? I don't know yet, so we're gonna see. I don't know, I think I want them to be a little bit darker, like a smidge darker. So I'm gonna take this LAC matte lipstick. What color is this? I don't know, it doesn't have a name on it. But it's like a darker red, like a darker reddish pink. And I'm gonna use this like around the outside of my lips. Okay, so yeah, that's what I needed. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I enjoyed doing this look. Y'all know I love bold colors. So this was an A+ for me. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.